Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I got something special. These are some AirPods Pro, but they are some special ones from ColorWare, so let's check them out. So let's start by opening up the box, just get this open. These aren't actually mine, a friend bought them, so I get to unbox them. So let's check this out. So these are the AirPods Pro, like I said, they're just going to be a standard box. Nothing really too special other than this ColorWare sticker. Other than that, the box is the same thing as you would get for the AirPods. You know, it says AirPods on the top and all that good stuff, but let's get this open. So we'll cut through this, and that's all that's preventing us from getting into the AirPods. So now we have the design by Apple in California, just the regular stuff, nothing special, no stickers, just normal stuff you get from AirPods. So let's try and put these away. Then we have this thing, says protect your paint. Pretty much just tells you to take care of these AirPods. And then there's a sterile alcohol pad, but we don't need that. And here are the AirPods. Okay, they're kind of stuck in here. Let's peel this off. There we go. This nice red color, but let's set those aside and see what else they give us. These are just the normal ear tips. And this is the USB-C to lightning cable. So that's pretty standard. So let's put everything back together. As you can assume, other than the alcohol pad and the little protection thing, these are pretty much going to be the same thing as AirPods. But the AirPods themselves, these ones are actually a red color. I'll have the actual color listed up here. And when you open it up, and then we have a different red on the left one, which looks pretty nice. And let's put that back together, and we have this blue, which also looks really nice. I like that they're matte colors, they're not glossy or anything like that, so they will scratch maybe a little bit easier, I'm not too sure, but they do look pretty nice. But when we pair them, they're just going to be the normal AirPods picture. It's not going to be anything special. So I wish they did something with the software, but it's whatever. What do you guys think? I've already done a review on these, not these specific ones, but the AirPods Pros. So go check that out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRDBR. And feel free to watch any of my other videos that I made. Again, I have over 160 videos. Go check them out. And if you like any of those videos, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so then YouTube will remind you when a new video comes out. Thanks for watching.